Siapa lagi? I hope I don't miss anybody. Rina G Jo. Okay, Rina G kata, hello bro, maaf terlambat. Bagi saya buat masa ini belum ada soalan. Yang penting bro dan keluarga sentiasa sihat. Thank you so much Rina Jo. Okay, bakul kopi kat sini. Ikut nyimak full kakak. Okay, L59. Thank you. Sinun Botoni. Like, thank you Sinun Botoni. Okay, Dancing Myra Vlog. Hi, new friend here from Tobot Channel. I remember I was chatting with you on Tobot Channel. Thank you so much for coming in, my dear Myra Vlog. Okay, Iring Karingan. Thank you, dear my dear brother from the Philippines. I'm not gonna ask this time, bro. I will only read first. Okay, thank you. An Haris, suaranya berciri khas bang. Thank you, An Haris. An Haris lama sudah tak masuk konten ya. My dear friend here, Delhurt Music, good job brother. Saya tak punya soal, nanti jika sudah ada saya akan kirim. No problem. Thank you so much for coming in, my dear brother, Delhurt Music. Uni Yuni, apa khabar Uni Yuni? Anda lucu sekali. Okay, nyamannya duduk di ayunan, bingung mau tanya apa yang aku. Ihi, semangat terus ya abang. Dan aku suka banget dengan karya-karyamu. Thank you so much Uni. Kerana sudi datang, okay? For your support, thank you. Okay, Dapur Lulu kat sini, Q&A sesi soal jawab part 1 The Singing Cook. Thank you so much Dapur Lulu. Rafli Yambu kata mantap bro. Yeah, thank you. Nafa Wila kata keren dan nice. Thank you Nafa. Okay, Naza Official, my dear bro here kata mantap buayan dan ayunannya bro MG. Bro memang terbaik, bahasa Inggerisnya Karen. Thank you Naza, my dear bro Naza. Okay, Ayahi Felix TKI, nyimak Om Gayut dia kata. Thank you Ayahi. Lepas tu Kang Ajang Saparudin kata, wah kerennya ni lagu ni. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, saya nak baca sikit lagi. Okay, siapa yang belum baca lagi? Okay, My Way Channel, my dear brother, mantap sekali Q&A ni Abang MG. Dia kata, salam sukses selalu. Thank you my dear friend. My Way Channel, ya. Chris Fishing, thank you so much for your coming in too. Okay, Marilu at the Kedor, like 42. Okay, wow, Fly to the Moon, nice song and swing. Thank you so much Marilu. Krasan, my dear brother, thank you so much for coming in. Yang terbaik bro, good luck ya. Mama Farhan Rian, openingnya luar biasa, lirik suaranya Mr. Sukses selalu. Thank you so much my dear friend here, Mama Farhan Rian. Roslyn Sherlyn, mau ada sesi jawab soal, belum ada soalan. No problem Roslyn, take your time ya. Okay, Fox Channel kita full watching Bang Karen. Okay, thank you. And then Atta David kata sini, selamat malam Bang Gayut, sukses. Ya, yeah, Izul Official kata, hello my friend. Okay. Audrix Channel kata, luar biasa bro, sejahtera selalu buat kita semua. Alright, Church of the Body of Christ, see you responding and connecting my friend. Thank you so much. And Rosmawati Rose TV, cool. Okay, Rina Rustam kata, Karen Bang. Alright. Vince, thank you so much Vince for coming in, for your ardent support all the time. Thank you Vince. Okay, Checo's Channel. Okay, I nak jawab yang ni sebab I tu dah jawab dah, cuma I terbuang that whole content of whole video tu I terpicit dan terbuang. Okay, dan I kena buat baru, so I kena jawab lagi baru. Okay, Checo's Channel kata, okay, siapa YouTuber tempatan dari luar negara yang menjadi inspirasi you di dalam meneruskan perjuangan sebagai content creator di YouTube? Anda. Terus terang saya cakap, buat sementara waktu ni anda. Okay, ada ramai content creator di YouTube yang saya kenal dalam kepompong kita ni. Okay, dalam kepompong kita ni orang-orang macam YouTuber macam Wilson Vlog, okay, macam you, okay, and then Tita Jok, and then a few more of our friends. Okay, tapi I rasa yang konten yang konsisten, yang bagus dan informatif, I rasa you punya. Okay, so tidak salah kalau I anggap you sebagai my kata apa, nak kata mentor tu tak, inspirasi tu ya. Okay, so thank you so much for your videos, because I suka satu, because you are dealing with nature, because I'm a nature lover, I'm a nature lover, so I suka benda-benda yang berkaitan dengan kita punya surrounding, especially the views, and then I suka tentang you buat tentang burung-burung unggas di rimba, okay, merga-mergas tua, and then walaupun Singapura tu pulau dia kecil, tapi banyak benda boleh buat kat hutan tu kan. And you did very well. I really like it. I really appreciate what you do, bro. Thank you so much. Okay, so Checo Sarin, you are the one I pick if you ask me that question. Okay, thank you so much, man. Okay, Haryanto Agus kat sini, salam sukses, sehat selalu Om. Okay, thank you so much my dear brother here, Haryanto Agus. Okay. Okay, Eric Gigi, thank you. Bulo Hasbullah channel, mantap bro. Okay, Babylon's Kitchen, thank you my dear friend here. Babylon's Kitchen, Tamsak here my friend kata. Bikolanang Gala YTC, just waiting. Thank you so much Bikolanang. Alright. Kosinia Rachel, ya, you ada tanya saya satu soalan, saya jawab satu dari itu. Sekarang ni saya nak jawab satu sebab you bagi dua soalan, okey. Soalan kedua, dia kata, siapakah pencipta lagu Kokat Merati? Lagu itu memang evergreen di hati peminat muzik Bidayuh. Okey, kalau direkod semula dan lirik diubah ke bahasa Melayu, mungkin boleh diperkenalkan di dalam industri muzik tempatan di Malaysia dan Indonesia, Brunei. Okey, mana tahu kan? Kosinia, okey, thank you so much for the saran. Lagu tu ditulis oleh saya pada tahun 85. Time tu saya masih sekolah lagi. I think was doing my lower six or something like that. Dan lagu tu yang membuat saya masuk ke TV. Okay, yang membuat saya perkenal ke saya dalam TV for my very first time. Keluar TV di Malaysia. Okay, so and that song was a big hit in the Bidayuh industry. So sampai ke hari ni pun ada peminat-peminat, ada kawan-kawan yang kenal lagu ni, dia sarankan saya untuk revivekan lagu tu balik, buat baru lagu tu balik, ataupun bagi nafas baru, make new arrangement, you know. So it's a good idea. Thank you so much. That song saya tulis dengan sesimpel-simpelnya, ya. Tetapi sesimpel-simpel pun mungkin time tu dia masih mencengkamkan perasaan orang kan. Gitu, mencengkamkan perasaan. So and it's still requested by many people on radio Bidayuh YFM. So thank you so much to my fans yang sedang menonton sekarang. If you are the one who is requesting my songs, I salute you and thank you so much for your your support. Okay. And Kosina, ya, mana tahu one fine day we will try. We can try. Why not, huh? Thank you for your saranan ya, Kosina. Here's your perfect kata, hello MG, you are big in Sarawak. Okay. You're big in Sarawak, great songs and many fans. Okay, have you considered going nationwide and make it big in Malaysia on the whole? Okay, here's perfect. Memandangkan usia I pun dah sekian lanjutnya. Okay, might as well I just focus on what I'm doing now. Okay, lagipun saya nak balik Kuching ke Sarawak, might as well saya fokus kat Kuching Sarawak and just continue berkarya and sing my own language in Bidayuh. Okay, because I've got a few projects and a few songs which is going on now di sana yang sedang menunggu vokal saya. Okay, so lagu dah buat dah, cuma tak tunggu vokal je. Tergendalanya because of the COVID kan. Jadi balik bulan 12 for Christmas ni saya masuk ke studio, hopefully boleh rekodkan lagu dan terus berkarya. Jadi tapi kita tak tahu perancangan Tuhan macam mana. Mungkin kalau dibagi ruang dan waktu yang sesuai dan tepat, manalah tahu kita boleh tembus tiba-tiba kan pasaran nation Malaysia kan. Mana tahu, itu semua kuasa Tuhan. Okay, kita tahu merancangkan aja kan. Thank you so much for your good idea. Salute to your question. Here's your perfect. Okay, Ayit Sneaky menanya, tidak sabar mahu dengar lagu Bidayuh baru dari MG. Yeah, thank you so much. Adakah sudah siap atau ada projek collab dengan penyanyi lain? Yes. Ini kita tepat pada waktunya. Soalan anda kat sini. Ya, saya nak balik ni. Saya ada 2 lagu sedang menanti untuk masuk vokal. Okay, muzik dah siap semua. Cuma vokal aja belum masuk lagi. Okay, itu satu. Satu lagi, memang ada perancangan kolaborasi dengan penyanyi-penyanyi yang ada kat situ. Kami sudah berbincang kat telefon. Jadi balik kali ini will be face-to-face meeting and we'll go on and seriously into the project lah of the collaboration. And I'm really looking forward because I ada perempuan, I ada lelaki yang nak collab dengan saya. And I thank them so much for for always wanting orang tua macam ni untuk collab, so it's a good thing kan. I really look forward to that one. Thank you so much Ayit Sneaky for your suggestion. Okay, ada satu soalan daripada Hitsugi Sakurai. Thank you so much for your support and for your coming into the Q&A. Okay, hello, I'm from Sakura Land. Okay, Sakura Land tu Jepun lah tu. Okay, how did you start fashion and what drove you into restaurant and why singing was not serious? Okay, sorry for such a long question. Cheers. Okay, Hitsugi, my dear friend. Okay, one of the reasons why I don't get serious to singing probably because of my work commitment with the restaurant. Okay, so being restaurant guy, you don't have much time to play outside. It's all work. Restaurant is F&B is a very busy line to be, when you get involved in F&B. Okay, so most of the time since 1992 was all filled up with just work. Okay, so Even I got into fashion in 2005, and it was considered very late. But nothing is too late. Okay, so but singing was always number 2 and number 3 on my list. So but I do still sing. Okay, I do still sing. I do still produce my own songs and write my own songs, and still share my talent with my friends and my fans. Okay, so and how wait, it says here what drove you into restaurant? Okay, restaurant line ni because I love cuisines. I love food. I just love eating. So in the year 1992, my partner, a Malay lady, she wanted me to join her. So she suggested, why not we open a restaurant, and then we did. 1992, and it lasted for almost 20 years plus. I think in the year 2005 we closed it because I want to move into fashion, something that I really love to do. Okay, so I went to fashion, and then she stopped because she was getting not feeling well and getting old. So we stopped the restaurant line. Not till recently, 2016 or 15, I got into restaurant again. Okay, just before the pandemic. So that means I still like food line. Okay, I still like food line, and I do still enjoy singing. So I'm jack of all trades. Okay, jack of all trades, end up with nothing. Okay, Mr. Troy here says, Mr. Troy Hollywood, hello Mikey, I know in and out. I know you in and out. Okay, but I wanna know, how do you juggle up between fashion, singing, restaurant, and YouTube? It takes a Superman to handle that. Thanks, Mikey. Troy, okay, since you know me in and out, okay, that's how I work. Okay, so I'm jack of all trades. Okay, I can do anything on my fingers. Okay, I'm just so crafty. I'm a crafty person. Okay, so and I am a very hardworking person. For your information, okay, I can work for hours and hours. Because I'm a workaholic. Okay, if you know me very well. Okay, and how do I juggle? You need a Superman. You to juggle these jobs, like fashion, YouTubing, and singing, and painting and designing and blah blah blah. You have to be a Superman. But I enjoy what I do. Okay, so when you enjoy what you do it well, right? So that's how it is. Okay, unless you don't enjoy your work, that's a big problem. Okay, so really, indeed, it takes a Superman, superhero, superstar, super cook, super hairdresser, super what, to do those jobs. But I am in that category. If you know me, I know you know me so well. Okay, thank you so much, Troy. Okay, some more. Let me read. Okay, before it gets very dark. Okay, Coco Joff TV, thank you so much, Coco Joff TV, my dear friend here from the Philippines. Seems exciting, waiting here, thumbs up, thank you so much. Okay, alright, I think I finished all these questionnaires, all those, I have to acknowledge most of you guys who came to my to these questionnaires. But if you guys have any more questions, please, you can always drop your questions in any of the comment contents there, at the columns. Okay, at least I know when to answer. Maybe I will sum it up again and make a final part of the questionnaire. So I will give you notification on that one. Thank you guys for participating. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for your support, and God bless you, and let's have a good ride. Okay, and I love you guys, and all the best to you for a new week, and do take care. I love you. And for those of you who are not who are still new to my channel, please do consider to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the notification button for more updates. I love you.